Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the Supply Junkie and I'm Heather. And to start off this week, I'm going to do a little haul video of stuff that I found around town. Some of this I got off of Amazon, but I got this correction tape at Office Max because it was clearanced out for like $2.13. So I grabbed 2 of those, and I used some that I had previously that I haven't used before. It's not my favorite, but for $2 it'll work. And then let's see, these tabs I got at Walmart, and I got these for my sticker books so I could organize them, and I had to go back and get some more, so I went back and got some more sticker books. I'm going to put the tabs in and kind of divide out what's what, because I have 6 of these now. But I got some of the, I guess you would say like quarter, and then some of the full, or half and full. And then I got some labels just to label the back of my sticker books. And then I got this from Fred Meyer's. And I haven't tried this whiteout yet, so I'm going to give it a try. See if it works any better than some of the other whiteout I'm not having very good luck with. And then I got this off of Amazon. I think it was, I want to say $12. And it's loose leaf, the Tomy River paper. So I got this so I could test out pins and see if it bleeds through before I put it into my Hobonichis. And then I got these at Office Max. And I got these 2, well, this set, because I've never tried them. So I'm going to try this gel ink. And then these ones are gold, rose gold. Well, I guess that's kind of a bronze. But anyway, they're different metallics. So I'm going to give these pins a try, because I thought those would be pretty in my planner. And then these are the multi-pack set of 14, just the rainbow colors. And then I got these at Walmart. They're just magnetic page markers. I got 2 of those. And then these I also got at Office Max. I got these for my little girl. They were also clearance out for like $2. So I got her the glitter set. And then it's the 5 fashion and 5 neon set. So I got these for her planners for next year, so she can plan with mom. And then off of Amazon, I got these Sarasa. These are the shiny colored 1.0. I got these ones. They're the marble colored. I thought they were cool, so I had to add them to my cart. And then I got the neon colors. So I'm going to have to swatch all these pins in my book and show you guys. But then this is what I was going for, and then I added all the other ones. I got their vintage colored in the 0.5. So I'm excited to try these out. These I got from 2 different sites, like sellers on Amazon. But I thought they were very fall colorish. And then got a little sticker book, little notepad book. And then I got, looks like this company also sent a little kind of sticker notepad book. These ones look like they might be full sheets, or full little post-its. Let's see. Yep, they are. But these are the colors that I got. But I figured with fall coming up, these would be perfect colors to use in my planner. So I'm going to try those out. And then I also got these fine liners, the felt tip fine liners from Office Max. So I'm going to try those for more of like my art journal. Hold on, my tower of pins here is trying to fall off my desk. And then I got on Amazon and I got the 5-year Hobonichi. And I'm going to go back to 19 because that's when I started using the Hobonichi, was 2019. So I'm going to go back with my planners and back plan a little bit for 2019, but then I can keep a running track of everything for the next 5 years. And I was going to get the new one, but I kind of wanted to, from when I started using the Hobonichi and went away from the Erin Condren. But I'll show you the page real quick. So you get 5 years on one page. So 1/1. So January 1st right here, you have 2019, 20, 21, 22, and 23. So you can keep a running track of each day of the year for 5 years of what you did on those days. So I'm excited about that. Just, you know, kind of a quick memory book so I don't have to flip up all my planners and try to remember what we did on what day. It'll all be in here. So that is my haul video. I actually won a drawing from, what is it, Lone Star Planner Girl, but the rest of my what I won isn't in the mail yet, so I'm gonna wait till I get it all and then I will show you guys that. So I hope you guys are having a great Sunday. See you later.